Are you looking for the top 5 best new tools you need to try? I recently embarked on a mission to find the best new tools on the market, and trust me, I bought and tested each one so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools could change the way you work. Let's dive into my top 5 picks.
Product number 1. Saker Silicone Caulking Tools. I recently tackled a bathroom renovation, and let me tell you, caulking can be a nightmare without the right tools. Enter the Saker Silicone Caulking Tools. At just $12.99, this 3-in-1 tool combines an internal angle scraper, flat angle scraper, and silicone smoother all in one. The first time I used it, I was blown away by how easy it was to remove old caulk with the sharp stainless steel blade. I had my doubts about the silicone trowel, but it glided over the surface, smoothing out new caulk perfectly. No need for messy masking tape. The tool's lightweight design made it easy to maneuver, and I appreciated the quick tip about loosening the screws on the back for that smooth, one-handed experience. However, I did notice that the plastic end can wear down on hard surfaces, so I recommend saving it for softer materials. Overall, if you're doing any caulking work, this tool is a must-have. It saves time and hassle, making your projects look professional. Why buy it? Because it offers versatility and efficiency, turning a tedious job into a...
Product number 2. Digital Caliper Measuring Tool. Next up, I have the Javari Digital Caliper. Priced at $19.98, this tool has become a staple in my DIY arsenal. Measuring up to 6 inches, it's made from durable stainless steel, which means it's built to last. The slide is incredibly smooth, allowing for precise measurements up to plus or minus 0.001 inches. I found the zero setting feature particularly useful. Resetting to 0 with a single button press made differential measurements a breeze. What I loved most were the 4 measurement modes: inside diameter, outside diameter, depth, and step measurement, making it extremely versatile for various projects. The large LCD screen is a game changer, especially when you're working in bright sunlight or tight spaces. My only concern was that it turns off after 5 minutes of inactivity, which is a good battery-saving feature, but can be a bit annoying if you're in the middle of a detailed measurement. Why buy this caliper? Because it bridges the gap between... Product number 3. Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Distance Measure. Moving on to the Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Distance Measure, this tool is a lifesaver for anyone who works with measurements regularly. I picked this up to simplify my home renovation projects, and at first glance, it's compact and lightweight, weighing only 3.04 ounces. The simplicity of the 2-button operation is refreshing. One button for measuring and the other for rounding off. I found it incredibly accurate, with the ability to measure distances up to 100 feet within a 1/16 inch accuracy. The backlit display is a standout feature, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. I did find myself wishing it had a bit more advanced features, but for basic measurements, it does the job flawlessly. The size makes it portable, slipping right into my pocket, which I appreciate when moving around sites. Why buy this laser distance measure? If you're looking to save time and enhance accuracy in your measurements, this tool is a perfect choice. Product number 4. Craftsman 262-piece Mechanic Tool Set. Next is the Craftsman 262-piece Mechanic Tool Set. A hefty investment at $129, but one that pays off in spades. When I first opened the durable 3-drawer VersaStock box, I was struck by the sheer variety of tools available. With 118 sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty bits, I felt like a kid in a candy store. The low-profile ratchet design is a game changer, allowing me to access tight spaces easily. Each tool feels sturdy, and the 72-tooth ratchet delivers a 5-degree arc swing, which is essential when working in confined areas. One of the standout features is the one-handed locking dial for the drawers. I could open and close them effortlessly, making my workflow smoother. While it's hard to find cons with such a comprehensive set, the weight at 27.5 pounds is something to consider if you're transporting this around. Why should you buy this tool set? Because it's an all-in-one solution for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts.
Product number 5. Klein Tools Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. Last but not least, the Klein Tools 935DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge is a game changer for anyone who needs to measure angles accurately. At $32.97, this lightweight tool fits perfectly in your hand and boasts a strong magnetic base that attaches securely to metal surfaces. I used it during a recent project to set angles for some cabinetry, and the high-visibility auto-rotating display made it so easy to read, even when I was upside down. The V-groove edges are brilliant for ensuring optimal alignment on pipes and conduits. I also appreciated its water and dust resistance, which is crucial for outdoor projects. My only minor complaint is that it requires 2 AAA batteries, but they were included, so I was ready to go right out of the box. Why buy the Klein Tools Level? Because it combines durability, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an essential for professionals.
There you have it, the top 5 tools that can enhance your DIY projects and professional work. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's precision, versatility, or sheer convenience. I highly recommend checking them out and finding the one that fits your needs. Happy tool hunting!